Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, flavored gelatin, sugar, corn syrup, and water. You'll also need a silicone gummy mold, a saucepan, and a whisk. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get started with the cooking process right away. Now, combine all your ingredients in a saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat, whisking constantly. This ensures the sugar and gelatin dissolve completely, creating a smooth mixture. It's crucial to avoid boiling. A gentle simmer is perfect. This step takes about 5 to 7 minutes, resulting in a clear, consistent liquid ready for molding. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into your silicone gummy molds. A dropper can be very helpful here for precision, ensuring each cavity is filled perfectly without overfilling. After filling, place the molds in the refrigerator. Allow them to chill for at least 30 minutes or until the gummies are firm to the touch. This setting time is essential for their classic chewy texture. After chilling, gently pop your homemade gummy bears out of their molds. They should release easily, revealing their fun shapes. Store these delicious treats in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 1 week or refrigerate for longer freshness. They make a fantastic snack or gift. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.